Now the question arises, what should be the format of diary writing? Since one usually keeps a diary for a long period of time, it is better to think out a journal format for your diary entries and follow it. You may repeat the same format time and again, or you can change a few things in that format depending on how you feel like. Your diary is for you and by you. A diary is your best friend. A diary entry can have different formats depending on a person's choice. In general, good diary writing has the following format. So, we are now having before us the format of diary writing. First of all comes the place, it is followed by date, then comes the day, and then comes the time. Suppose we are living in Chandigarh and writing the diary there, we will write Chandigarh and we will then write date. Then will write day. Then we may write time of diary writing. Here comes the salutation. Salutation may take the shape of dear diary or hello diary, or you may name your diary such as dear Jimmy or any other name which you may have given to your diary. Heading is optional. If you are writing in your diary only one or two lines, you may not give any heading or subject to your diary writing. But suppose there is a strong emotion in yourself that you are feeling very happy, very excited, or very sad, you may write feeling sad. Or you, if you are feeling very happy, you may write feeling very excited or happy. This may be your heading. So this is optional whether you want to write the subject or heading, or you may not write it at all. Now comes the main part of this diary writing, that is the content, which is used to express our emotions or to write about the event which may have happened in your daytime or in the past. Generally, the content is written in 2 or 3 paragraphs. In the content, we discuss about an event or our feelings, emotions, or future plans. When we are writing diary, we use the first person. That is, we write the same starting with I or we. When we are writing the diary, we may use present tense when we are writing about what is going on, or if something has happened during the daytime and we are writing the same, we may use past tense. But when we are talking about our future plans, then we may use present future tense. At the last will come the signature, which is optional. As the diary is your own, it is your friend, you may or may not put your signatures at the last. If you decide to put your signatures at the last, you may use your first name. As already told, if your name is Ritu Arora, you may use only Ritu. We may also tell you that we have already uploaded a lot of courses on various channels such as Udemy, Tutorials Point, Affiliate, Artsiki, our own website, YouTube, and many other websites. You can look out for the same, that is past tense, present tense, future tense, letter writing, email writing, debate writing, most common mistakes, some natural phenomena, cybersecurity, conservation of plants, and much more. You can also find out the same. Now we will come to the main topic. We will try to understand diary writing with the help of an examples. Recently, you attended a party hosted by one of your friends. In that party, there was a lot of wastage of food. Write a diary entry on that party. First of all, we will write the place. It will be followed by date, and then you will mention day and time. Then you will use salutation, dear diary, or you will use the name of the diary, dear Jimmy, dear Sneha, or any other name you may have given to the diary. Yesterday, I attended an extravagant party hosted by my friend Ramesh. The decorations, food, etc., everything was very pricey. One thing which irritated me the most was the wastage of food at the party. The food was cooked in plenty. Plenty means the quantity was very on the higher side as compared to the guests. The guests were seen taking more food on their plates than they could eat. So they were wasting a lot of food. I am very pained to point out that some people do not understand the true value of food. They must understand that a large number of poor people on the earth do not enough do not get enough food to eat. I wish the people would understand the importance of food and not waste the food while enjoying a party or taking food at home. This was the content of diary writing. That is what type of emotions or what type of event you want to describe in the diary. And at the last, there are signatures of the diary writer, which is optional. You may or may not write about the same. Then you may write a diary entry about your future plans. This is also an example. As already told, first of all, you may write place followed by date, day and time. It is not necessary that you should first mention place, then date, day and time. It may happen that after the place, you may choose to write the day and then write the date. It is up to you. As the diary is yours, you may choose whatever you like to do. Then this is the salutation used in the diary. My wish is to become a tennis player in the future. I am very much inspired by Serena Williams, and I believe that she is the best tennis player in the whole world. I hope I can become a good player like her and make my country proud. This is the place for signature. Next example of diary writing is a diary entry on feeling sad as you did not get good marks in the examination. As per the format, you will first write the place followed by date and then day and time. Then you will use the salutation, hello diary, dear diary, or you may name the diary hello Jimmy or hello Sneha or any other name you may have given to the diary. As in the given example, you are feeling sad, you will write the heading or subject as feeling sad. Today, the result of my 10th class was declared. I did not get decent marks in the examination. I had made good preparations for the examination, but I fell ill near the exams. My parents know the facts They have asked me not to lose heart. However, I am feeling sad. I will surely try to get good marks in the next class and make my parents proud. Then comes the signature. You may, this is the content of the diary writing. This is an important aspect that when the son or the child of a parents has not taken enough marks in the examination, they have chosen not to ask anything to his child. We must keep in mind as parents that every child wants to get good marks in the examination, and even there may be chances that a person may not get good marks in spite of his best preparations in this regard. So when a person is already feeling depressed or sad, it will not be proper on the part of the parents to scold him. Rather, be supportive to him and encourage him so that he may get good marks in the examination. Only by scolding or saying wrong words to your child will not serve any purpose, as everyone is passing through a very, because a person who has not get good marks may be passing through a very depressed state already. So we should support a person when he or she does not get good marks. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.